Alright, people, so let me wash my hand, because you know, been touching all kind of stuff. So I've been washing my hand, make sure I get that stuff together. Because you know, your boy out here gonna be frying some plantain for my breakfast this morning, man. You know, I like to cook for myself, so this is one of the things your boy be doing a lot out here, cooking for himself, man. I'm not it's because I don't eat meat, I always try to cook my stuff over here. But this morning is gonna be some breakfast stuff I'm gonna be making. That's all it is. I got 2 plantains, so I'm gonna be frying them, put some of it down, because I can eat that for another day, or I can eat that eat some of that later on tonight when I'm hungry. But first let me show you, let me plug up my pot. Plug up my pot right here. I'm gonna plug it up so you see you have a plug, man. Temperature of 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. So I just do the highest one. I was trying to do the ice one just to make it quick. And this use power, man. So I'm gonna be going to probably start it up. Let me see. It's off. That's 400. I'm gonna go at 350. See what's going on with that. All I just do is just turn this knob to 350, and then keep it like that. But yeah, let me get over this side and start peeling my plantain, man. So it's gonna be plantain and bread. That's what it's gonna be. So no, y'all don't know, a lot of people, man, come out here and spend a lot of money out here on the road when you can just do this. Simple, man. This is simple stuff. You cook on the road for yourself. You know what you've been eating, man. So that's what I do. Bam. So, cutting up my plantain while the pot is getting hot. Yeah, I stopped and I bought some of these at Walmart. So that's what's up. I ain't got no video, nobody to hold my camera, so I just gotta use the stand. Put it up on the stand, so I'm just standing right here now. I'm gonna show you once I get these stuff peeled and get this stuff ready, I'm gonna show you what's going on. But this is just life, man, out here. When you're out here on the road, like you can live, eat healthy. You don't have to buy no food, man. You went to the store, buy some stuff, and you cook it. A lot of people say they doesn't have no time, but yeah, sometimes you're right, it probably doesn't have any time. But if you're driving down the road, you're gonna find a little bit of time, man. Then you got the cooker what I have. You can just prepare your food in the morning and just let that stuff sit there, man, and you're just ready. By the time you stop to deliver your load, here comes your dinner or your lunch or whatever it is. So it's just all you prepare yourself, you know what I mean? But yeah, this morning some breakfast, man. Fried plantain. I was gonna use this to make some plantain porridge, but you what happened now? For some reason, man, I noticed they're starting ripe, so I can't use it to make no plantain porridge no more. Yeah, you can see it be cleaned up. You guys, you don't like the pot hot, so I'll be throwing my oil in it. So I don't think I'm gonna need more oil than that. I think I'm gonna be working with that oil that I have right there. So I'm gonna be working with the little oil in the pot right now. Bump that up to 400. Yo, that's life on the road. So I mean, that's how you live your life on the road as a truck driver. You prepare a meal. So you gotta prepare your meal for 3-4 days or 2-3 days. That's what I mean. So I'm not gonna put it that. Because a lot of people don't like to eat their meal after 2 days. But me, all 5 days, man. I'm not throwing away my food. You know what I mean? So I just make sure I prepare it. So this one, this plantain I'm preparing now is gonna be probably for 2-3 days, because I'm gonna be eating out of it today, and then I might have some tomorrow. I might done it tomorrow, because me, I just like to eat my plantain. I might just eat them like that, because I only got 2 slices of bread, man, leave in the bag. So I don't know what I gotta do. So that's what my plan is. So I might eat that up tonight. Eat some of that up tonight. I got food in the fridge right now, so. But yo, catch your boy Jamra the Chucker, man. Jamra the Chucker TV out here, man, like, you know, cooking outside beside my truck. See this one? Brown and nice? Yeah. Yo, platinum bread. This is potato bread, man. Yo, it's bad. Let me tell you. If you don't know about this, come holler at me, man. I like jam at the truck at TV and see what me make. The plantain and bread on the side of the road in my truck. Wow. Good. This breakfast right here is priceless because I made it. You know what I mean? But yo, catch up with you in a little bit, alright? Alright, man. Thanks for watching the video, man.